Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to disable GoGuardian on your Google Chromebook. First of all, just need to open your Chrome browser. And then here, you just need to create a bookmark. So click on the three dots at the top right, click on this bookmarks and lists, and then click on bookmark desktop. Here, you can change the name. For example, we can use GoGuardian as a sample name. So for example, we can type Go Guardian, and once you've done, just need to click on this done button. And here basically you just need to open up again the Google search, and then when you click on the three dots at the top right hand corner, you will find the bookmarks that we saved. Now to find out bookmarks, click on this bookmarks and list and show bookmarks. And here basically you will find the bookmarks that we saved. So right click right here, and then we should edit this one, and then you can enter any URL link that you want to go. So for example, this link right here, once you've done, just need to click on this save button. And now let's try to go to the search bar, and we're gonna type right here any random letters or random word, and then we can tap on the search button, and basically you will go on this page. Now go back again to the bookmarks that we saved recently. So we just need to click on the three dots and then bookmarks and list, and then go to show all bookmarks. And from here, so once we click on show all bookmarks, it will show you the Go Guardian bookmark. So if you click on that one, you'll be directly go to that page. So that's how you basically disable Go Guardian on your Google Chromebook. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.